Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Friends, this is Sayyidul Islam and you are watching my YouTube channel Choice in English. Friends, I hope and believe that you are all well. Alhamdulillah, I am also well by the grace of Allah. Friends, you have already understand what the thumbnail and the topics today. But before going to the main topics, I am requesting all of you to like, share and make available comments. Subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you can get the video first. And who have already subscribed, you are most welcome from my core of heart. Friends, you know that I have been trying to make video every day in English language just to improve our fluency. Because we know that English is an international language and it is not only a language but also it has become an industry. And by learning a standard and professional English, anybody can earn huge amount of money. However, friends, you know that English has become the part and parcel of our everyday life. Though you have completed your graduation in another subjects like physics, chemistry, maths, biology, etc. But in the technology world, if you really want to improve your career, improve your life, and you want to go ahead yourself, you have to learn standard and professional speaking English. And there are many government and non-government sectors in our country and out of our country are vacant. They are giving their advertisement for the better candidates who can speak and write better English. But it's a matter of sorrow that though they give the advertisement for the better standard candidate in English, but they are not getting that. What is the reason? The reason is that though we want to learn speaking and written standard English, but because of our laziness and fairness and hesitation, we cannot learn it properly. By learning standard professional English, anybody can earn huge amount of money just to teach the students. As a tutor, he also can be earn huge amount of money, and you know that you know better than me. Number two, by creating a website and writing any content in your website, you also can be earn huge amount of money, but first of all, you have to practice minimum 1 year. This is the very important question. And secondly, you can also earn huge amount of money to creating YouTube video by publishing every day and by delivering your lecture, because the demand of English is increasing day by day, and it's not possible to describe in words. It has become the part and parcel of our everyday life. And if you want to gather your high level of knowledge in English, that means if you want to gather your high level of knowledge, you must learn English, because there are many knowledgeable science fiction technology books are being writing in English. But if we don't know to read English and if we don't understand English, we have, that means we will have lackings to learn to improve our knowledge, to gather our knowledge. So English has become an industry now, the science and technology world. And there are a great connection between science and science, technology and English. And if anybody is able to read with meanings any English books, he or she one day will be able to write any English topics, articles, contents gradually. Okay, so I think that English has become the part and parcel of our everyday life. And if you are really interested to learn speaking English, you have to first of all practice. And now is the question that how we will learn speaking English. First of all, you have to ask yourself if you are really interested to learn to speak English fluently. First, you have to create a mentality and you have to prepare yourself that you have to practice from zero level. And you must also keep in mind that when you start your practicing, you may be criticized by your locality, your friends, etc. But don't stop your practice, because practice makes a man perfect. Without practicing, it's not possible to improve, to gather your knowledge. Say, I'm making video every day. What is the reason to make my video? The reason of my making video is just to improve my fluency, because I know nothing of English, but I think that if I make every day in English language video, inshallah my speaking will be improved within short time. And Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, I'm getting benefited from here, because as I'm practicing, I have not any kind of friends and colleagues, my family members who are able to speak English. For this reason, I have chosen to make video in English language. I'm getting benefit from two sides. Number one, I'm making video and my video is being reached thousands of people, and there are many educated, highly qualified people will reach my, that means will watch my video and watching my video, and when they make the valuable comments, then I can correct myself to watch their comments. Number two, my speaking is being improved, as I have not any kind of friends to practice with him, so I have decided to improve my fluency. Through making video. Okay, so I think that if you are really interested and if you really want to learn speaking English, and that means if you want to really earn huge amount of money, then I have a request all of you. First of all, you learn speaking and written English properly. That means you have to speak fluently and write fluently any content, any topics. If you are able to speak and write fluently, then Amazon, there is a great that means biggest online online commodity platform. By writing any content, you will also be able to earn huge amount of money to sit home. But first of all, we have to start or practice. That means we have to learn properly. First of all, we have to learn it properly. And once if you are able to learn standard speaking English and speaking and written English, then we will be able to earn huge amount of money. But we have to, first of all, we have to practice minimum 6 months to 1 year. And our practice, that means we have to carry on our practice, continue. After continued practice, inshallah, our speaking and written will be improved within a short time. And by following this strategy, you will be able to earn huge amount of money to sit home. Because we must keep in mind in our brain that English not only a language but also it has become an industry. And by learning a standard professional English, there are many educated, highly qualified persons who are earning huge amount of money. What is the reason? The reason is that they are decided. They have decided to, first of all, they have decided to learn it. And after taking decision, they start their speaking and continue 6 months to 1 year. They have completed. That means they have learned it properly. Then they have start to earn money. This is the very important question. So I think that if you are really interested and enthusiasm to learn it, then you have to, first of all, you have to practice. And by practice, when you practice, you have to, will must face some problems. When you start your speaking, you will face some difficulties. And I'm also requesting all of you that I have told you in my previous videos that when you start reading any book, then you face some problems, some difficulties. But you have to read aloud, read any book aloud. When you read any book aloud, then your muscles will be exercised. What I do that. So the last of this video, I'm also requesting all of you. This video for those individuals who are really want to learn, want to earn huge amount of money in home. Please start your practice, start learning both written and speaking English in a professional way like the native. And if you are able to learn a professional and standard speaking and written English, then you will be get a strong confidence and you will be able to earn huge amount of money. This is the true like the day. Okay, so friends, I will not waste your valuable time. I'm also requesting all of you, please don't waste your valuable time. Start your practice, and inshallah after practicing 6 months to 1 year, your speaking will be improved like the native, and you will be able to earn huge amount of money. Number one, creating YouTube video. Number two, making a website, creating content, any blog writing, etc. And there are many young generations in home and abroad who are earning huge amount of money by learning a standard and professional English. So friends, I will not waste available time. If you think that this video is very, very important for you, then I have also request to all of you to like, share, and make some valuable comments. Thank you. See you tomorrow with the new topics. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.